Today's job's going to be a good one for me. Got a neighbor who had a pretty significant slide. See if I can get across this without falling on my ass. And this tree right here is ready to go down. It's not too bad, but the hillside is a disaster. Oh my God. It's got that road blocked down there. So what do we do? What do we do? Well, we got sun out, so my recommendation is get this out of here so things will dry up a little bit on the top. And so I don't rip it if I'm working on it. And the way I see it, I may be wrong, but I believe that this tree is still helping to stabilize the hillside, but it's ready to fall down. So I think I'm going to butcher this tree and cut it all the way down to about 10 living branches and hope for the best. If the tree will survive and the roots don't die and things dry up, maybe that'll help stabilize the top. But if this root ball comes out, it's going to come all the way up to here, and that's going to really make a mess. So, here we go. This is where I join my day off. Still climb. Pretty view up here though. Sun came out, storms passed for a bit. Now, at this point it's probably a good idea to say what I'm doing. This tree is falling down. Half of its roots are gone, and we've got another storm coming. The roots are coming up on the high side. I'm a little crazy for being up here, but what I'm trying to do is not entirely cut down the tree, leave about 15 branches at the bottom to keep the stump alive, but get rid of the sail and get rid of the leverage that's going to pull this monster down. And maybe the roots that are still in there, if they don't go down, will be beneficial to hold the top of this hillside rather than making it much worse. So my challenge is getting all these branches down through this stuff. So I'm cutting a lot of these things, trying to cut some of the side branches so they don't hook, and making the best shots I can. There was a bunch of dead branches over on this side, so I was able to clear an opening here. So this side's going real smooth, and I'm trying to cut off all these things as I go so that they don't have areas to hang up. But it's nice to leave a few stubs to stand on and take the pressure off my spurs. Pretty day in the Santa Cruz Mountains. Alright, a lot of you guys can relate to this one. I got up to a point, I'm going to blow this top out. We put it down there, no problem. As soon as I got in position, the wind picked up. Now it stopped, then it picks up again. It's coming through in funny little gusts through here, so it's not that big. Been here before. I've had a situation like this come up, and there's a little voice in the back of my head that says, don't do it. So I'm gonna go up a little higher. Guy says he's got a drone, so I'm sitting there waiting to blow this top out. There's the drone. I guess I better make it look good.